हेलो मस्तरंगीज, वेलकम टू अनदर व्लॉग। और आज हम बहुत ही स्पेशल सेलिब्रिटी के घर पे आए हैं एंड आई एम श्योर आप उनको देखते ही झट से पहचान जाओगे। सो विदाउट एनी डिले लेट मी टेल यू कि हम आज किसके घर पे आए हैं। हम आज आए हैं नवीना के घर पे।
Hi, welcome.
Thank you so much for inviting us to your house. This is really special and I'm very, very excited to interview you today.
Pleasure is all mine and I'm very excited too.
तो ब्लॉग के एंड तक जरूर देखना क्योंकि बहुत कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है, तो बने रहे।
सो नवीना, जैसे मेरी तो आप पर्सनल फेवरेट मिले जब हम तुमसे हो। कुछ ही कैरेक्टर्स ऐसे थे जिनके लिए वो मैं डेफिनेटली देखना बहुत पसंद करता था। सो आपकी कोई ऐसी मेमोरी रही मिले जब हम तुमसे, या फिर जब आप उसमें कास्ट किए गए, तो कोई उसके बिहाइंड कोई स्टोरी या मेमोरी रही?
एक्चुअली उसके बिहाइंड बहुत बड़ी स्टोरी थी। सो मिले जब हम तुम के जो एग्जीक्यूटिव प्रोड्यूसर थे, ही वाज माय प्रोड्यूसर ऑन अ म्यूजिक वीडियो दैट आई हैड डन इन गोवा फॉर डीजे तरल। And uske pehle I had a very brief stint with Star Plus on a show called Bidai, which didn't end very well because dates की मेरी problem थी किसी और show के साथ, a show called Bhago KK आया which was for Contino, and there were dates clashing and Rajan Shahi was very pissed with me. So after a week of shooting for that show, I just got to know I'm not doing that show anymore because the dates were a problem.
Okay.
So Star Plus were not very happy, and of course Mere Jab Hum Tum was a Star One show.
Yes.
So Neeraj contacted me and said the channel, I wanted you, but they have this thing, where you weren't, there was a date issue and then it was all a little negative. And I said, okay. Also, I had put on a lot of weight at that time. So we did a photo shoot and then the channel came back and said that for Diya, you have to be like super hot because she's the hottest girl in college and, that glam thing. So we'll see, because then we are going to do another look test after a month, and only if you fit in, then we'll go ahead, because this is like, that time they told us it's like a friends concept.
Okay.
So, within a month, I lost like 7-8 kgs, and the stylist and everybody in the channel were like blown away.
Okay.
And so I was cast as Diya, and the rest, as they say, is history.
कोई ऐसी मेमोरी रही मिले जब हम तुम के टाइम पे जो आपको आज तक याद है?
बहुत सारी memories. मेरे जब हम तो will always be very special. It was one of the first shows that I did, mainstream shows as a mainstream character. And, the producers, every time we had a problem or there was a discussion, it was never in the office. It was always at a TGIF, or there would be a party to celebrate everything, all the milestones. We did a one-take song, there was a party for that. We completed like 25 episodes, party for that. So, it was like one big family. We had a lot of workshops, so we got to know each other. And we were all introduced on the dance show Zara Nach Ke Dikha. So we all performed there. And all of us were very young and we were just starting out at that time. So it was really, really special. I made some lifelong friends, and some people got married. There were people who were dating other people on the show at the time, and then they got married, they left their partners. I will not name them, but so a lot of things happened over the years. So I think it was an iconic character, an iconic show, and I am very grateful that I was part of it.
मिले जब हम तुमको अच्छा कुछ मिला अभी पता चला।
तो मैं तो पहला सवाल ही पूछने वाला था कि कैसा लग रहा है मिले जब हम तुम?
So basically you've been working in the industry for such a long time.
Yes.
And of course जैसे हमने अभी बात की कि मिले जब हम तुम like one of the best shows ever.
Yes.
तो उस टाइम पे काम करने और अभी जब आप सेट पे जाते हो, is there any difference like in with the cast crew or the way they shoot, or any difference that you have noticed कि नहीं यार पहले ना एकदम मजे करते, अब थोड़ा सा और वो हो गया, ऐसा कुछ है?
मिले जब हम तुम was not a typical TV show anyways, to start with. So the whole working atmosphere was also very different. There was a college set made. We used to go there. We used to be there from morning to night. There were times where I didn't shoot. I would be sitting in the makeup room the entire day waiting for my shot, and I did not complain because it was so much fun. We'd made friends, and that show went on for 4 years. Cut to when I think about Ishqbaz. Ishqbaz, the set was a little different.
Okay.
Because it was on a bigger scale. I wasn't used to being told ke strictly that this is not right, the makeup's not looking proper, this,
Oh,
that,
okay,
all of
okay.
that was happening. So Gul ma'am was slightly more particular, more strict. She had a different style. And then there was Lalit sir, who was a director on Ishqbaz, who was a sweetheart, but you know, when he was behind the mic, he meant business.
Oh.
So you know, you had to be on the
Oh,
alert. So
yes,
Mile Jab Hum Tuh, it was a little chilled.
Huh.
There was Nisar, and everybody was very chilled out. Ishqbaz, the team was a little, they were very professional, I think.
Yeah.
And of course, they were really nice, but it was slightly, you know, it was more like a little more formal. This
Okay.
was more casual. And now, of course, I'm doing a lot of OTT. I've not done television for the longest time. As an artist, creatively, it's a much bigger space.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that is something I'm really enjoying right now.
Yeah.
So, as we know, you are doing so many work and you have a daughter also.
Yeah.
इंडस्ट्री का जो हमारा कल्चर है वो 12 आवर्स का है, जैसे जो इंडस्ट्री में काम करते हैं
True.
वो लोग तो जानते हैं, और ऊपर से आपकी डॉटर भी है, आपके ऊपर इतनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी में आप अपने आप को फिट कैसे रखते हो?
आपको जो करना है आपको करके रहोगे, no matter what.
हाँ,
And for me, fitness has always been very important.
हम्म,
मैं स्कूल में बहुत मोटी थी,
okay,
and then I lost a lot of weight during college.
okay.
And I never wanted to be fat again, you know. As a child, I was teased so much that
Okay.
that became in my head. And then when I was
Ah.
pregnant, again I became 90 kgs because my
Oh.
tendency is to put on weight.
Okay.
तो वो weight मैंने उतारा, और I think अभी मैं you know, even like when I was unmarried, I wasn't as thin as I was now, because I think whatever I'm doing with my lifestyle, it is working for me.
Yeah.
And not just exercise and not just diet. I think it is a lot about proper sleep. It is a lot about keeping yourself stress free. It's a lot about balancing your life. It's a lot about doing everything in moderation. It's not that I don't drink and I don't eat junk and I don't, you know, let myself go sometimes, but I come back. So the trick is to be very consistent.
So, because you've played also so many characters on screen, any dream role that you really, really want to do and you're looking forward to doing it? कोई ऐसा character है या तो कुछ ऐसा कि यार ये करना है यार, एक बार मुझे ऐसा character play करना है?
There are so many, you know, when I see and then I'm like, I want to do this. But I think recently हम सबने हीरा मंडी देखी, and Manisha Koirala just blew me away.
Yes.
Right? She blew me away. She was so good.
Yes.
And of course, you know, we can't compare to that. But if I get something on that level, I would love to try something like that. Actually, any Sanjay Leela Bhansali character.
Yes.
Yeah.
तो इतना enhance होता है ना वो character.
The way he presents them and the way that he, you know, just, I think, thinks about them and everything.
everything.
After the presentation, then of course it's the intensity
yes,
and
of the character.
of course the less said the better about people who did not emote but got so famous for not emoting.
I
But I
swear,
shall
no
not take it.
emotion.
And I was like, okay, now ab kuch aayega, but clearly didn't. Okay.
So, अब तक की जर्नी में जितना आपने कैरेक्टर्स प्ले किए हैं, आपकी एक्टिंग जर्नी जब से शुरू हुई,
Right.
सो इज देयर एनी कैरेक्टर यू नो जिससे आपने अपने आप को एसोसिएट किया हो कि मतलब यार ये ऑलमोस्ट बिल्कुल मेरे जैसा ही कैरेक्टर है, या फिर मुझे इसके जैसा ही कुछ आगे लाइफ में कैरी फॉरवर्ड करना है?
So I did play Parshuram's mother, who was like a mother. So that I associated with because I played mother to the small Parshuram. Then he grows up, but because of the mytho, I didn't change. I still looked glam, so I was okay with that. But when I was shooting with that kid, I related a lot because he was almost my daughter's age. He was about 7, 8. So, you know, as a mother, the things I taught him and the lessons I gave him, and it was a mytho, so I was the righteous mother. So that was something that I really related with and I enjoyed playing. And, you know, I put my heart and soul, and I think that really came out, at least with the kid Parshuram. So there I related to the character. But otherwise, most of the characters that I've played are like, they're grey, they are mean. I know where they come from, but as Naveena, I can't relate to it. It's like Diya also, you know, she gives her cousin such a bad time. I don't believe in struggling people at all. You know, later she repents and she's fine and she becomes better and then she helps them and whatever. That I related with, that Diya. But the initial one I did not. Tia also later, then I got to know she's being blackmailed and everything. So usually my grey characters, when they turn around, then I relate with them. Like, अच्छा ठीक है, अरे बेचारी की ये back story थी. That's why she did what she did. So Yeah.
शूटिंग का भी मन किया मिरर के सामने खड़े होके बोल दूं यू आर सो बैड बिच नहीं दैट कैरेक्टर नहीं दैट कैरेक्टर
No, not that. Sometimes I would be like, really? I have to say this? I'm doing this? And I'm like, okay. But yeah, you learn to disassociate with the
बट कहीं ना
character.
कहीं वो समटाइम लाइफ में कहीं ना कहीं वो एक कैरेक्टर हम सब ने प्ले किया होता है
Of course, in our lives also, हम किसी ना किसी के लाइफ में villain जरूर है. All of us, no matter how amazing we are.
Yes.
No, we're not butter chicken, you know, everybody doesn't like us. We always will manage to piss off somebody, no matter what we do. It's that simple.
That's true.
Yeah, you're not butter chicken. We can't keep everybody happy. There will be someone who will be pissed off always.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so that way.
So true.
So you started your journey as a model, correct?
Yeah.
Then you did ads and music videos, and then you came into TV,
correct.
and now you're doing web series and
Yes,
everything.
yes.
So आपका ultimate goal क्या एक्ट्रेस बनना ही था, और were you like नहीं मुझे मैं मॉडलिंग भी करूंगी तो I'm happy, मेरे को मतलब ऐसा कोई
So I come from a very filmy family.
Hmm.
My dad was associate director with Raj Khosla, and then he was directing for Sagars. And after that, he got really sick and he passed away. But I've had that filmy kira forever. My cousin is Milan Luthria. I'm
Okay.
related to the Bhatts, the Darshans. They're all extended family.
Okay.
So I'm a very filmy family.
Hmm.
But filmy family चाहते हैं कि उनके जो बच्चे हैं वो नहीं जाए movies में, especially the girls. So my dad was not very happy when I told him I want to be an actress, but I always wanted to be an actress. तो मैं जब छोटी थी मैं वो गाने सुनती थी 80s 90s के, and I used to imagine myself as the heroine dancing around, even though I was fat and acne and all, I didn't care. You know, so I always was an actress by heart. But then my dad wasn't very happy, so I said okay, maybe not. But then I said no, I should give it one shot. So फिर मैं तो I worked and I collected money for a portfolio. I got that done. I got into Glad Rags. I won Glad Rags. I was in the top 5. I got Miss Elegant. फिर modeling assignments started coming in. But I always was an actor, wanted to be an actor. And when the first show that I got was a Sahara show. And that was called Sola Singar, which was with Karan Singh.
Okay.
So that I did for about 3 months. And the minute I faced the camera and I started saying lines, I just knew this is what I love doing. This is what I want to do. And I'm still doing it, you know.
Yes,
I've followed
absolutely.
my passion, and I think the more you love what you're doing, the more you get it. You
Yes.
attract what
You
you
attract
like
it,
doing.
right,
So
right.
yeah, that kept happening. In Touchwood, I've done some amazing roles. I'm known by my characters' names more than my name, which is I think the biggest mark of a of an actor who's made an impact.
Yes.
So I'm very grateful, and I feel very humbled and very nice that it's something. So yeah, it's definitely a passion.
तो हमारा जर्नी सेक्शन यही खत्म हो रहा है. अब हम चलते हैं हमारे स्टाइलिंग सेक्शन में.
So this kind of अच्छा you bought it from Libas.
Yeah.
So what you prefer, online shopping or offline?
Nowadays, only online shopping.
Only
I think we
online?
hardly go offline. Offline, if I have to go, then I like going to H&M or Zara because वहाँ बड़ा मजा आता है, you know, to see their basic things. This was a gift which my best friend gave me. She had got it for me from the UK.
Okay.
And she said, I saw this and I thought of you. And I think it's very me.
Correct. That's
You know,
true.
it's
This is
got
for
this-
you only.
Yeah. This is something I wear to these rock concerts or, you know, the concerts or some beach party or anything. I think it's just the perfect outfit for that.
It's all about how you carry it.
Absolutely.
You know how to do it.
And
And
this
this I really liked it.
this is a lovely designer quad set from Sandhya Shah. It's
Okay.
a label. It's a homegrown label, and I think it's beautiful.
So आपने इतना आप जो करियर था वो आपने मॉडलिंग से शुरू किया. So
जी.
कोई फेवरेट डिजाइनर रहा जिसका you wore and you said wow.
I think Rohit Verma is very special to me
अच्छा.
because he was the one who designed my gown for Glad Rags. He was the one who also designed my outfits for my very first portfolio with Heather. So Rohit Verma is very special.
अच्छा.
And I like Wendell Rodrigues also because we wore a lot of his stuff on the ramp.
Correct.
And there's somebody called Gavin Miguel who designs beautiful gowns. His gowns are to die for.
Yeah. That's
So he was another designer that I was very, very fond of. Sabyasachi, of course.
You have good choice.
Yeah.
Good taste. So you are a brand conscious person, or you pick what you like?
You look at my clothes, you know, you will not see, you hardly see. It's a mix. But mostly I just pick whatever I like, whatever I want. I'm definitely not brand conscious. I'm definitely just look conscious. To look good. Brands really don't matter.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
आपको brand से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Whatever you wear, you will make it brand.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's
हम जो पहनते हैं वो brand बन
brand बन जाते. Correct, that's true. What is your favorite thing to shop? Like in
Ah.
accessories, shoes, watches.
Okay, so I'm not a very
bags.
accessory person at all.
Okay.
But I do like shopping for gym wear because I work out a lot. I'm
Ah.
a lot into fitness wear, which I actually forgot to include in this. I should have. And I like picking up jackets. I like shoe shopping also.
Okay.
Shoe shopping is also very deeply satisfying.
हाँ,
Yeah.
that's,
So
that's,
yeah,
मुझे-
and I love shopping when I'm going on a trip. You
Yeah.
know, yeah, because it just adds to that excitement.
तो तभी शॉपिंग ज्यादा होती होगी, वरना वैसे तो
वैसे
जिम वेयर ही
नहीं,
ज्यादा
नहीं,
होते हैं सबके
exact,
wardrobe में,
yes,
है ना? एक
absolutely,
अलग wardrobe
yes.
बन गया अभी तक कि नहीं?
बिल्कुल, पूरा मेरे wardrobe में ज्यादा जिम वेयर ही है. Because that's what I wear every day.
That I can understand. What's your go-to outfit if I ask?
My go-to outfit is what I'm wearing right now. I love crop tops. I love denims. I think they look sexy. They are comfortable, and you know they get the job done. So
Yeah, that's true.
also I like flaunting my midriff. So crop tops are just
Yeah.
perfect.
So comfort is new.
Yeah. I love comfort. I also love quad sets. I love, you know, there's this brand called Flirty Go.
Uh-huh.
I want to mention them because I have bought every color from them. They have these lovely loose t-shirts and shorts,
Okay.
and I can just live in them. I can sleep in them. I can go out to the market in them. I can go anywhere in them.
Okay.
In fact, I was wearing one when you guys came in yellow. So
Huh.
I have like a red, I have a black, I have a pink, I have all colors in them. So yeah, comfort is also very, very important.
Thank you, Flirtigo, for giving her comfort.
Yes.
Her comfort zone.
Yes, thank you. Absolutely.
So अब एक transition हो जाए.
Sure.
Let's go. Are you a foodie? देख के तो नहीं लगता, but फिर भी. You are?
I'm a huge foodie. Food makes me so happy.
क्या बात कर?
I love food. Currently, I'm obsessed with prawn tempura sushi. I can finish like platters and platters of it, you know. I would not even know. Like if I order, I don't share with anybody. I have to have all the 10 pieces. So huge obsession with sushi. I love anything actually Chinese or, you know, which is Thai. I love. And Indian may also, I love pani puri. Ragda wali, especially, you know, not the bundi one. I like the ragda one. I love the chicken and the mutton gravy my mother makes. She makes the best chicken mutton gravy in the world.
Okay.
And even her fish curry and rice is like to die for. So all are my favorite. I like anything with egg in it. आप मुझे कुछ भी खिला दो, भुर्जी, half fry, omelette. Everything is welcome.
So you are a foodie and तो आप एक diet भी follow कर रहे हो अभी of course to
Yeah, so I have one cheat day. Sunday is cheat day.
Okay.
Everything is allowed. So Saturday night to Sunday night, I let myself go all out. I eat whatever I want to eat. I also have a big sweet tooth. I love meetha. You can give me meetha. The thing is, my meetha इसलिए नहीं चखती हूँ because once I start, then I can't stop. So
That's true, I
that
can
is the thing. But otherwise, for desserts, gulab jamun, rasgulla, rasmalai, or everything Indian, cakes, desserts, chocolates. I can sit with a whole, you know,
God.
you know
Box
that
of chocolate
yeah
and
box,
then
and I can just keep. Somebody has to like literally snatch it away from me. So yeah, and like if I go for these holidays and I see that buffet, that dessert buffet,
Oh my god.
nothing can stop me. Nothing.
So you love cooking also or only food?
So during lockdown was when I cooked for the first time, and I was a very good cook. People loved my cooking. The only thing was I didn't enjoy cooking.
अच्छा.
So it was done. जब मजबूरी खत्म हो गई and the cooks were back, then they said you all can respectfully take this back. I can cook. I do cook very well, but I don't like
cooking.
Of course, I like that smile on people's faces when they eat and they're like, it's very nice, but that's about it. Not worth.
Every time, no.
No. वो काट कूट करना, वो इधर मैंने start करेंगे onion, my eyes are watering. वो फिर वो गर्मी में पसीने छूट रहे, your stir.
मसाला भुनो, ये करो.
I would rather sit and eat on Zomato or have my cook or my mom. I can't do it.
So suppose your cook is on leave,
Right.
and you have to cook. There is no other option. What would you cook at that point?
I make very good aloo bengan ki sabzi. Very good aloo bengan sabzi. Like that I would cook. I would cook chane ki dal, which I make very well. And of course omelets, Maggie. Maggie counts as food, right? It does, right?
Yeah,
Please count it as food. And what else can I make? I can also make chai. Good adrak chai. Now you know my limit and my range.
Correct, that's true.
That is it.
So any favorite restaurant in Mumbai?
I like going to Grandmama's Cafe a lot. I used to love going to Grandmama's Cafe. I love their fondue, their cheese fondue. I love their egg kejriwal. So yeah, if I had to name one favorite, then I guess it's Grandmama's Cafe. I also like Pratap the Dhaba a lot. I love their dhania adraki chicken.
Yes. So Navina, we're going to ask you a quick rapid fire question.
Sure.
And let's go.
All right.
Home cooked food from outside.
Food from outside.
Party person, stay at home.
Stay at home.
Punjabi cuisine or Maharashtrian cuisine?
Punjabi cuisine.
Mountain or beaches?
Both.
Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Self-care at home or luxury spa?
Luxury spa.
Hollywood or Bollywood?
Hollywood.
Films or OTT?
OTT.
Makeup or no makeup?
Both.
Wherever you're comfortable.
Wherever, yeah. Actually, makeup and less makeup. No makeup.
No makeup.
You don't want to.
तो ये था आज का व्लॉग गाइज. आई होप आप लोगों को मजा आया हो. और ऐसे ही और इंटरेस्टिंग व्लॉग्स देखने के लिए क्या करना है?
Like, share and subscribe.
बेल आइकन दबाना बिल्कुल मत भूलें.
यस. सो मिलते हैं अगले व्लॉग में. टिल देन, बाय.